59% of our drinkers engage in binge drinking at least once a month. And this is 20 percentage points higher than the Afro average and 9 percentage points higher than the world average. So we have a problem not with the numbers of people who drink, but with the amount that those of us who do drink.
Lona ngunjingalwazi Charles Perry uthi abantu beli bakuluhlu labona basela utywala gqitha ehlabathini jikelele. Uthi unqunyanyiswa kwentengiso yotywala yakutshanje iza kukhokhelela ekutheni kufumaneke ibhedi eziqikelelwa kwi-46,000 kwi-ICUs ezibhedlele okanye kongiwe imali eqikelelwa kwi-1.3 billion yeerandi ngenyanga. Kodwa ezincali zithi uyekiswa kwaphela kwentengiso yotywala ayisasombululo.
I think we need to look at having a more responsible, better regulated system. And I think we can do a lot without prohibiting alcohol, but controlling it better along the ideas that I put forward in my last table. It needs to be far better regulated, not prohibited.
We should endeavour to promote responsible drinking as well as trying to highlight what alcohol does do to our communities. It increases gender-based violence against children, and it also, we don't have to have this carnage on the road because of alcohol-related accidents, which we see over the weekends and we see at night.
Ingxelo yabo iqhuba ithi isizathu sosoleka kwabantu abaphakathi kwe-5.5 ne-6.6% rhoqo ngonyaka butywala.